this tree around 25 to 30 years ago when this resort was opened. And so we have the policy, every one tree cut, we will plant another 10 tree to replace it. So one of the tree that we plant here is this Thai mango, because we want to attract the monkeys to come here. So we have two species of monkeys. It's a dusty leaf macaque and also long tail macaque. So you will see more of them. The dusky leaf langur around the resort. It's black in color. So the myth that's saying that monkeys eat banana is wrong actually, because monkeys prefer sour fruits. Everyone can see it?
What's that? Alright, got it.
So the one you are seeing is the flying lemur, or we call it coligo. Not flying, it's gliding. It's gliding through one tree to another tree, and you will see them glide around 7:30, 7:45 in the evening. So at the daytime, this is the rest time, their sleep time. So if you went for a walk in the morning in the resort, you can find them at the tree around this level.
Alright.
So when it's afternoon, it's getting hot, they will move upper to the trees in color, while the male is more gray in color. And the male one is much more smaller than the female one. So if you see the tree around the pool area, they will have holes. It's the hole that this animal makes. The mom. Like around here. You can take one.
Sort of like a passion fruit flower, but more soft.
Yes. If you smell it, it smells kind of like vanilla scent.
That's nice. Anything eat
In Malay, but not in Peninsula, in Borneo, we make food. We enhance the smell of the food using this flower. You see under the leaf is a fruit bags. The fruit bags is fruit, and the other type of bags is the insects. So these fruit bags, they have a better vision, big eyes, because they need to fly at night to find fruit to eat. Different from the nectar bags, they have the smaller eyes because closely they will have like a lining, orange lining on their lower part of body. So it's a theory, if there is a dusty langur around the area, they will also have this like giant squirrel. Because like the color is almost the same. Up there, this one.
Yes.
This one. This is the monkey jackfruit. It's like the mini durian.
Yeah.
Have you guys tried the durian?
Yeah.
They make a curry from this fruit. I don't know how they do it, but they make curry from this. Maybe the curry will taste sour. Maybe.
So the animals don't like to eat it?
So as the name suggests, it's the monkey jackfruit. So the monkeys around this resort eat this. This is one of their food beside the Thai mangoes. Monitor lizard.
It's got a head.
Neva, can you see?
Yeah. See the home, the shelter for the monitor lizard.
Oh. Okay. But the larger ones don't climb the trees.
The monitor lizard can grow until 1.3 in length, and even though with their big and long, usually make the noise in the early in the morning and late in the evening. So they spend their lifespan usually like 6 to 7 years in the ground, and they will come into the surface for a month. So for a month they will sing every day to mate, to attract the female. So the one that make this noise is the male one.
Like the one that you press and they can sing.
Yeah. So the male one, the higher your pitch, your sound, the more girlfriend you will get. Because
Saya boleh cuba tak?
yes, you can try.
Get girlfriend.
Is that a nest there, or is that just dead fish?
No, not that one.
Not that one. Maybe an ant nest or something.
Maybe, I'm not sure very well. In the resort, you will see different type of mushroom. I'm trying to learn more about the mushroom.
That is. Hey, that's a long tail.
Where?
So yeah, normally they're like they like to camouflage with the silhouette. Yeah.
Any kind of insect.
Keep the password in the fish, yeah.
Ha?
Keep the gear in the fish.
Dia boleh minum ke dia?
The macaques having a better IQ or higher IQ.
Yeah?
Watching.
They could open, take cigarettes.
Yeah, they know that.
Creature looking at us.
This one?
No, up there.
Oh my gosh!
It's staring at us. Hello.
It's a monitor lizard.
And the head is like, hello.
Hello.